Imagine a world where borders are just lines on a map and people from every corner of the planet come together, sharing stories, food, and a whole lot of laughter. Well, that's exactly what we are celebrating at Kashmir Harvard. We were honored to have our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Tariq Baktoo, to inaugurate the Kashmir Harvard Silk Road. This wasn't just a ceremonial gesture, but celebration of every single culture that makes this world beautiful. And then came the real magic, our little ones representing different countries on Silk Road, from China all the way to Turkey.
Hello, my name is Sivan. I am from China.
Each one greeting us in a different language: Mandarin, Persian, Turkish, and more.
Marhaba, Adam Sapa. Hi, my name is Aflar from Turkey. Salam, meaning Osman Obul Fazal, Man Uzbek Mon. Hi everyone, I am John from Uzbekistan. Salam Khushamdeed. Hello, my name is Malika Zais. I am from Iran. Ugloni man namak ziyazidar biman ru Islam. My name is Abu Bakr Farooq. I am from Mongolia. I love my country. Salim man Atim Sabira man Kazakhstan Anim. Hello, my name is Anaya. I am from Kazakhstan. I love my country. Salam, Medium Saira. Hi, my name is Faja. I am from Turkmenistan.
It was like taking a scroll through history. This event, dear friends, is about understanding that the differences that make us unique are also what bond us together in this great shared adventure called life. So, let's keep this global party going, shall we? Over the next 2 weeks, we have got a whole host of exciting events lined up, from cultural workshops to international feasts. There is something for everyone, so stay tuned.